In this assignment, you're going to work with the search cursor. In the example that we had done for you, we returned only one column of information, one field of information out of the attribute table. What we want you to do for this exercise is to return the city, the state, and also what the institution is. So you can use the same data that we used for the lesson, so you don't have to use different data for this one. But we want 3 items returned instead of 1 item returned. Now there's different ways this can be done. It can be done using loops. It can be done without loops. We want you to try to write the best code you can write to show how to use the search cursor.